What if I told you the craziest AI gadgets of 2026 are already real, and anyone can buy them? These futuristic inventions look like they're from 2035, but they're here today. Let's get started. Aeromax Mini Drill. Don't let its pen-sized design fool you. Aeromax Mini Drill Pen packs serious precision into an incredibly compact tool. Whether you're building model kits, repairing electronics, crafting jewelry, or working on DIY projects, this mini powerhouse delivers impressive accuracy with adjustable speed settings and a bright built-in LED light. The OLED display keeps you informed, while USB-C charging and quick bit changes make every job effortless. It looks like an ordinary pen, but once it starts drilling, you'll realize this futuristic gadget belongs in every creator's toolbox. Roborock F25 ACE. Cleaning your floors might never feel the same again. The Roborock F25 ACE Pro is a next-generation wet and dry floor cleaner that uses intelligent sensors to detect dirt and automatically adjust its suction and water flow for maximum performance. With powerful suction, anti-tangle technology, and a flat design that reaches under furniture, it tackles everything from pet hair to stubborn spills with ease. Self-cleaning brushes, hot air drying, and smart app controls make maintenance almost effortless. It's the kind of futuristic home gadget that makes traditional mops feel completely outdated. Raychel NODBOT. What if your bedside companion could help you sleep better without invading your privacy? Raychel NODBOT is an AI-powered sleep assistant that uses advanced radar and LiDAR sensors instead of cameras to understand your sleep habits. It gently adjusts lighting, offers calming voice guidance, and wakes you with a natural sunrise effect instead of a loud alarm. Best of all, your personal data stays stored locally for added privacy. It's a futuristic AI gadget that turns your bedroom into a smarter, more peaceful space every single night. Withings Body Scan. This isn't just a bathroom scale. It's like having a personal health lab at home. Withings Body Scan 2 uses advanced sensors and AI to analyze more than 60 health metrics in about 90 seconds, including heart health, body composition, metabolic performance, and overall wellness. Its sleek display delivers instant insights, while the companion app tracks your progress over time with personalized recommendations. If you're serious about staying ahead of your health, this futuristic smart device turns every weigh-in into a powerful wellness check that feels years ahead of ordinary fitness trackers. Anura MagicMirror. What if your mirror could check your health in just 30 seconds? Anura MagicMirror does exactly that, using advanced AI and contactless facial scanning. No wearables, needles, or sensors required. It analyzes over 100 wellness indicators, including heart rate, blood pressure, stress levels, breathing, and more, simply by reading subtle changes in your facial blood flow. Just stand in front of it, and the AI does the rest. It feels less like a bathroom mirror and more like something you'd expect to see in a futuristic medical lab. Vaydeer Ultra Slim Mouse Mover. Ever stepped away from your computer only to come back to a locked screen or interrupted download? Vaydeer Ultra Slim Mouse Mover quietly solves that problem by simulating natural mouse movement without installing any software. Its ultra-thin design blends seamlessly into your desk, while multiple movement intervals make the activity look completely human. Simply plug it in via USB-C, and your computer stays awake during long uploads, presentations, or remote work sessions. It's a surprisingly clever gadget that keeps your workflow running without lifting a finger. Boriwat Back Massager. Long day at work? Boriwat Back Massager brings the feeling of a deep tissue massage right to your home, office, or even your car. Its rotating shiatsu massage nodes and soothing heat work together to target sore muscles, reduce tension, and help you relax in minutes. With adjustable intensity levels and an ergonomic design that fits your back, neck, shoulders, and legs, it's built for personalized comfort. Just sit back, press a button, and let this smart wellness gadget melt away stress like a professional massage therapist. Obziy DP1. Imagine launching your own custom apparel business from a device that fits right on your desk. Obziy DP1 is a next-generation DTF printer that produces vibrant, high-resolution designs ready to be heat-pressed onto t-shirts, hoodies, bags, and more. Its intelligent software, automatic printhead maintenance, and beginner-friendly setup make professional quality printing easier than ever. Whether you're starting a small business or creating unique designs at home, this compact printer delivers fast, reliable results that feel like they're straight out of a professional production studio. Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. What if your favorite jewelry could look brand new in just a few minutes? Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner uses high-frequency sound waves to create millions of tiny bubbles that gently remove dirt, oil, and grime from even the smallest crevices without harsh scrubbing. It's perfect for cleaning rings, necklaces, bracelets, eyeglasses, and watches with professional-level results at home. With one-touch controls, automatic shutoff, and fast cleaning cycles, this compact gadget makes restoring sparkle almost effortless. It's a surprisingly satisfying piece of tech that delivers luxury-level cleaning with the push of a button. Lutron Aurora. Ever walked into a room only to find your smart lights mysteriously stopped working because someone flipped the wall switch? Lutron Aurora fixes that problem in the smartest way possible. It locks your existing light switch in the on position while giving you smooth, physical control with a simple tap or twist. No rewiring, no complicated setup. Just instant smart lighting that keeps your Philips Hue bulbs connected, even if your Wi-Fi acts up. It's one of those small, AI-ready smart home gadgets that quietly transforms your everyday experience. Sharge Disk Pro. Imagine carrying your SSD, USB hub, and workstation in your pocket. That's exactly what Sharge Disk Pro delivers. About the size of a credit card, this futuristic gadget combines blazing fast SSD storage with a powerful USB-C hub, letting you transfer massive files, connect displays, and power your devices from one sleek unit. Its built-in active cooling keeps performance fast even during heavy workloads, while the magnetic design snaps neatly onto compatible devices. For creators, remote workers, and tech lovers, this is one compact gadget that feels years ahead of its time. Biometric Smart Gun Safe. What if your safe could recognize you in less than a second? The Biometric Smart Gun Safe uses advanced fingerprint technology to unlock almost instantly while keeping unauthorized users locked out. built with heavy-duty steel, reinforced locking bolts, and smart security features like tamper alerts, auto-locking, and backup PIN or key access. It offers serious protection without sacrificing speed. Whether you're securing firearms or valuable items, this next-generation safe delivers peace of mind with technology that feels like it came straight out of the future. Divoom Times Gate. If your desk looks boring, Divoom Times Gate is about to change that. This cyberpunk-inspired smart display features 5 vibrant pixel art screens that can show animated graphics, clocks, weather, social stats, and real-time information all at once. Using the Companion app, you can customize every panel with your own designs or explore thousands of community-made creations. With built-in Wi-Fi, RGB lighting, and endless personalization, it transforms any gaming setup or workspace into a futuristic command center that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. Sonicake NeoUke. What if you could play music without ever touching a guitar string? Sonicake NeoUke makes it possible with its futuristic, touch-sensitive design that lets anyone create music in minutes. LED-guided controls, built-in rhythms, and multiple instrument modes make every session feel fun, even if you've never played before. Connect it to the Companion app for guided lessons and extra features, or simply start jamming right away. It's a next-generation smart instrument that turns complete beginners into confident performers with almost no learning curve. PYROX Cold Flames. Imagine having realistic flames dancing in your room, without any fire, heat, or smoke. PYROX Cold Flames creates a stunning flame illusion using ultrasonic mist and advanced LED lighting, producing an effect that looks almost impossible to believe. It's completely safe to touch, making it perfect for gaming setups, home theaters, studios, or modern living spaces. Smart features like auto shutoff, timers, and low water alerts add everyday convenience. If you want your room to look like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, this futuristic gadget is guaranteed to steal the spotlight. Sharge EveryMess. Build coffee, muddy footprints, or pet hair everywhere? Sharge EveryMess is built to handle it all without breaking a sweat. This powerful 3-in-1 cleaning system vacuums, scrubs, and removes stubborn stains in one compact device, making everyday messes disappear in minutes. Its strong suction, quick swap attachments, and self-cleaning system let you move effortlessly from carpets to furniture, tile, and even your car. Designed for busy homes, this smart cleaning gadget delivers professional-level results while saving time, making it feel like a cleaning tool straight out of the future. Rokid AI Glasses. Imagine leaving your smartphone in your pocket while your glasses handle the hard work. Rokid AI Glasses combine real-time AI assistance, a 12-megapixel hands-free camera, open-ear audio, and live translation into one sleek pair of smart glasses. They even support prescription and photochromic lenses, making them practical for everyday wear. Whether you're capturing moments, asking AI questions, or translating conversations on the go, everything happens right before your eyes. It's the kind of wearable technology that makes the future feel closer than ever, and it might just change how you interact with the world. Sony LinkBuds Clip. What if you could enjoy your music without losing touch with the world around you? Sony LinkBuds Clip feature a unique open-ear design that lets you hear your favorite songs while staying aware of traffic, conversations, and your surroundings. AI-enhanced voice pickup keeps calls crystal clear, while Bluetooth 5.3, customizable sound modes, and long battery life make them perfect for everyday use. Lightweight, comfortable, and packed with smart features. These futuristic earbuds prove you don't have to sacrifice awareness for premium audio. LOOI Robot. What if your smartphone could become a living AI companion? LOOI Robot transforms your phone into an expressive desktop assistant that reacts with emotions, follows your face, responds to voice commands, and even tells jokes or stories. It doesn't just sit on your desk. It interacts with you like a tiny robot with its own personality. Beyond entertainment, it also works as a wireless charger, smartphone stand, and face-tracking camera mount. It's one of those futuristic AI gadgets that makes your workspace feel like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Tower Power Strip Surge. Protector 1 wall outlet is no longer enough for today's tech-filled setup. And that's where the Tower Power Strip Surge Protector shines. Its vertical design transforms a single socket into a powerful charging station with multiple AC outlets and USB ports, all while saving valuable desk space. Built-in surge protection keeps your laptop, gaming gear, and other electronics safe from unexpected power spikes. Whether you're working, streaming, or gaming, this sleek gadget keeps every device powered, organized, and protected, making it an essential upgrade for any modern workspace. And that's our list of the most unbelievable AI gadgets already changing the future in 2026. Which one amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing future tech, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next wave of AI innovations. See you in the next one.